Right, so today we're talking about startups. Now, startups typically fall within the MSME sector. And I remember when I put this out on Twitter, some of you asked me, so what is MSME and what does it mean? So today on The Five, we want to talk about the 5 characteristics and the 5 things that you need to know about SMEs in the country. So number 1, let's take a look at the definitions of MSMEs. Remember, they are micro, small and medium-sized enterprises. Now, there are various definitions for this, including turnover, but for purposes of today, this is the number 1 thing you need to know about MSMEs, their definition. Micro enterprises have less than 10 employees. Small enterprises have between 10 and 49 employees, and medium enterprises have between 50 and 99 employees. So the MSME sector typically in general has businesses that in general employ less than 99 employees. Here's the number 2 thing that you need to know about MSMEs, and that is their ownership by gender. And this is information we've gotten from the MSME report and also has been put together by Kipra. Now, it is said in the MSME sector in the country that 47.9% of the businesses are owned by men, 31.4% are owned by women, and another 20.7% are owned jointly. Now, these are those that are licensed. 60% of unlicensed businesses are owned by women, and many say this is where you need to take a look at it. Here's the 3rd thing to know about SMEs in the country today, and that is the role that they play in the economy in the country. Now, according to Kipra, Kipra is the Kenya Institute for Public Policy and Research. MSMEs play a very big role in the economy. They employ over 90% of the total labor force in this country. And that is why this is an important conversation we're having this afternoon. They obviously play a big role in eradicating poverty. There's 7.4 million MSMEs in the country, employing about 14.9 million Kenyans. And many of them have been said to be a source of innovation in the country. That's number 3. We're quickly getting to number 5. But first, number 4. This is the question we're asking you on social media today. What are the major challenges you face if you run a small business in the country? Well, a number of them, of course. Number 1 is access to credit for the startup. Another thing is ineffective marketing, and this is due to lack of resources and the skilled manpower to do so. Here is another big challenge that is facing MSMEs today. They are unable to scale up because they don't have international standards, and they lack access to quality control measures that enable them to compete effectively, not just locally, but internationally as well. Now, we've talked about source of funding being the biggest issue, right? So, number 5 to know about MSMEs is their source of funding. We've said that is a big one, right? Okay, so here is some data for you. 80.6% of the businesses got their funding from family or their own funds. This is funds that they've been saving for a while. Another 4.2% of businesses got loans from the same family or friends. Now, you'll see 5.6% of those who started their businesses got the startup fund from a bank loan. 1.4% started their business from money they got from chamas. And you can see 0.4% went to a SACCO or a cooperative for the loan. Now, here is where it's interesting. Now, many of the SMEs, actually 0.1% of the MSMEs in the country got their funding from government. And government, as you know, has about 6 funds: Uwezo Fund, Youth Enterprise Development Fund, the Women's Fund, and there's been a great issue when it comes to uptake of those funds. There has been a proposal to merge all of those funds into one called the Biashara Fund, as many have said that all of those have the same objective, but Parliament is yet to approve this. They've got some issues with it. So